Stunning rise in cases and hospitalization means a stay-at-home advisory will soon go into effect here in Chicago.
And the advisory will also impact how many people can get together for events. WGN's Julian Cruz now live at Ravenswood with more on that. Julian.
Well, Ray, emergency rooms like this one at busy Swedish Hospital already seeing the surge of patients for weeks now that Mayor Lori Lightfoot is warning about as the city imposes new safety restrictions. Once again, it'll be doctors and nurses, many fear, on the front lines bearing the brunt of the surging pandemic.
They do what we ask of them and what the community asks of them, but it won't be easy.
Dr. Bruce McNulty knows what's coming, a surge of ambulances and private vehicles delivering COVID-19 patients to Swedish Hospital, one of the busiest emergency rooms on the north side.
We saw significant numbers in the spring, and we are starting to see just the same patterns again here in the fall, where large number of patients are testing positive, and then several days later they start to get really sick.
We've seen no sign of slowing here, and we're in uncharted territory.
People are dying. We're seeing a daily uptick in the amount of deaths that we're recording in the city of Chicago. This is literally a matter of life and death.
Mayor Lori Lightfoot says it's a stark reality, with 1,000 or more Chicagoans likely to die by year's end if we don't bend the curve, which is why the city is issuing a 30-day stay-home advisory effective 6 a.m. Monday. There's a 10-person limit on social gatherings, indoors or out, with the mayor urging people to cancel non-essential travel, which, as painful as it is, also includes out-of-town relatives on Thanksgiving Day.
We must tell you, you must cancel the normal Thanksgiving plans, particularly if they include guests that do not live in your immediate household.
Over the course of a single week, the city health department says the positivity rate soaring from 10.9% to just over 14%. with a possible vaccine still way off in the future.
The vaccine is not the next few months. And the next few months, winter, the flu, and COVID fatigue have the potential to truly create a catastrophe that could be avoided here.
Sobering words from City Hall. Now, Mayor Lori Lightfoot says that as part of her Protect Chicago strategy, a new strategy, they are going to beef up enforcement and also fines for those who don't follow the rules and put others in danger. At Swedish Hospital, Julian Cruz, WGN News.